Here we go, part 3, keep it going. Got the hose bib over there. There's the rest of the runs for another bathroom.
You got backseat with Pat tomorrow, Michael.
And there's another one, it's dropped down for the kitchen island. And there's the other bathrooms upstairs and another bathroom downstairs. Second downstairs bath. Boom, boom. I'm doing a remodel plate. Run it on down. Another connection point. Here is the 3. Had to take off all those. That's all teed in. 3/4. Hot cold all teed in. And this is the one that runs to the risers. Or nubs. Holy crap. There's the top. The bidet. And toilet. I'm just doing a video, you good, brother. Master bath upstairs. Lines came through. Ran through the ground down there. Opened up. Ran to the tub. Dropped straight down for the toilet. And tied on to the shower valve. Still gotta work on getting pipe down here. Looks like it's gonna be a day 4. Got the connections ready to go, but no pipe yet. This side's done. This is the hallway for that sink and toilet. This is the other Jack and Jill sink and toilet. Look at all that electrical and the huge stack pipe. Shot the lines right down to connect. Straight drop the toilet down to connect. Tied in on the shower lines. And there's the toilet. And there's your sink. Magnificent. Second laundry room. I'm about to throw this washer box in right now. Finish that up. Let me show you the other bathroom. Half bath sink. Half bath in the sink. And then the toilet. We got the back of the toilets. Okay. Alright. And there we go. There's the hole for the island sink. And the kitchen. And that's gonna be second hole. Jetting it on down. Making that run. Alright. Let's go.